Stop ordering biryani. Make this once at home. This homemade version is better than restaurant. Everything you need, simple ingredients, but the taste is next level. Spices, curd, oil, lemon juice, fresh pudina, coriander and green chillies and ginger garlic paste. First, slice onions nice and thin. Fry them till perfectly golden. This is the real biryani secret. Also fry some cashews for that rich taste. Freshly ground spices make all the difference. Now marinate 1 kg chicken with spices, ginger garlic paste, Pudina, coriander and green chillies. Curd, oil and lemon juice. And finally the secret ingredient, golden fried onions. Mix everything really well. I am using good quality Basmati rice. I don't drain water, I cook rice with exact water so everything gets absorbed. Add salt, little oil, shajeera and bay leaf. That's it. Cook only 70%. This step decides your biryani, so don't overcook. Now layering. Spread marinated chicken, then rice, then fried onions, cashew, pudina, saffron milk and ghee. I didn't seal with dough, just placed weight and still got perfect dum. 5 minutes high flame, 15 minutes low, then 10 minutes on tawa. This is real dum biryani. No restaurant can beat homemade food. Would you try this at home? Save this recipe. You may cook better than me, but give this a try. You'll never regret it. Quantities and directions are in the description below.